Explore the pros and cons of porcelain countertops. Dear friends, porcelain countertops are becoming a popular choice in modern kitchens, and for good reason. They offer a sleek, premium look that closely mimics natural stone like marble or granite, without the high maintenance. One of the biggest advantages of porcelain is its durability. It is highly resistant to scratches, heat, and UV rays, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. You can place hot pans directly on the surface without worrying about damage. Another major benefit is its non-porous nature. Porcelain does not absorb liquids, which means it is stain-resistant and hygienic. This makes cleaning very easy. Just a simple wipe is enough to keep it looking new. Porcelain is also lightweight compared to natural stone, allowing for easier installation and more design flexibility. It comes in large slabs in a wide variety of colors, patterns, and finishes to match any style. However, there are some drawbacks to consider. Porcelain slabs can be expensive, especially when you include fabrication and installation costs. Edges can also be more prone to chipping if not handled carefully. Additionally, repairs can be difficult. If a slab cracks or chips, it may require full replacement rather than a simple fix. In conclusion, porcelain countertops offer a stylish, durable, and low-maintenance option, but weighing the cost and handling requirements is important before making your final decision. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.